Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will here. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're still healthy during this quarantine time. If you're new to this channel, this is the place where skinny guys come to for advice for gaining their first 30 pounds. So today, I'm super excited. I'm gonna be running you through a complete home workout to gain more muscle from home. So in this workout, you're gonna find some really creative exercises. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming workouts and videos through quarantine. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy it and turn on your notification bell so you get updates on all my upcoming videos. So today's workout is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a home workout to show you how you can work out at home with not much equipment. The only thing you're really gonna need is a duffel bag or a sports bag, but that's only a couple exercises in this workout that you're gonna need that. And when you do get to that exercise, make sure you can add more weights to your sports bag to make your exercises more challenging. But I'm super excited for this workout, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so hope you enjoyed that workout. Make sure to try it out for yourself this week. If you like this workout, I just released my free home workout guide. So if you want to grab a full, complete home workout guide, completely free, make sure to click the link in the description below and you can get my brand new full home workout guide. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to receive the other videos that are coming up, and I'll see you in the next one.